Hey guys, TecTimmy. So I just got my SensorCan out of the box, and one of the more confusing things about it was getting into the battery compartment, and then also related to that is changing the filter or the odor remover, whatever it's called. The thing that sits in here, I think it's some sort of an odor filter is the way that the company explains it. So getting into the battery compartment through the odor filter was super confusing. I had my little tiny screwdriver out at one point, and I thought, no, there's no way they're going to make me take out those little machine screws. But so the trick is, you just need to slide this over to the right. And when you put it back on, also interestingly, and then so it doesn't go all the way over because it gets stuck. So it slides over and then it lifts up, and then there's the filter inside. This initially comes in a little plastic bag that you need to take off in order to get it work properly. And then you stick the thing back in, and then when you go to install this back, you want to put it there, and then just let's see. Did I get that right? Nope. So I'm actually off by one. You want to put that over here. Wait a minute. See, this is why it's confusing. It's here, and then this actually slides to the left. Off is right, left is tight. All right, so it slides over to the left, and that's how you get that to sit back in. And then you can't get at the batteries while this is on. So I made that mistake initially. I found that super confusing. So again, we're going to try that. Another practice run won't hurt. Why not, right? So I'm going to slide that to the right, and then I'm going to lift it up. And then in order to put this back, and then you can get at the batteries. I'll show you that in a sec. But then to put this back, it's here. So it's the leftmost feet, if you will, sit into the leftmost groove here. And then because in order to take it off, we went righty, tight, never mind. You want to go back to the left to slide it back in, and then it stays in place, and you can't get at the batteries. But so to just kind of prove that out, I'm going to take that off, and now I am able to get at the batteries, and then all is good. So that's how you actually get at the batteries and also change the odor filter, I'm going to call this. And then again, this was just very confusing to me because I thought it slid. I thought we had to actually open the screws, and now so I slid it back and it's tight, and then the batteries are also locked into place. So it's actually kind of a neat design at the end of the day. The instructions do not explain that well at all. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, if you wouldn't mind, just give me a quick thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It helps out the channel, and consider subscribing. I do all sorts of videos about tech. Cheers. Hope to see you in the next video, and enjoy your SensorCan. Cheers.